Hello friends, in this video we will learn simple and easy methods of how to draw using pencil shading techniques. It is very useful to learn them and also it will help you to improve the quality of your shading. I will show you 4 different techniques: smudging, cross-hatching, scribbling and dark shading. So let's get started. Use a soft pencil. You can use 2B or even softer. Then create your desired shade, and you can use a color brush for perfect smudging. Then draw some light strokes, and they must be away from each other. Now slowly keep moving your pencil's drawing such strokes. But remember, you will always move from light to dark shade. After that, draw some more strokes, which must be in the opposite direction of the light stroke. But do not put much pressure on the pencil. Now draw some dark strokes in the same way, but remember they must be away from each other. Here you can scribble as much as you want, but make sure you put less pressure on the pencil and scribble lightly. We will move from lighter to darker scribble. Now First use a HB pencil for light strokes. Then you can use a 6B or 8B graphite. Now put some pressure on your pencil and then varnish that with a hard grade to achieve the best shades you want. Then smudging well with a color brush. Here we learned 4 different types of pencil shading techniques. It was an exercise to help you with your drawings.